How to adjust volume levels in AudioDirector. First of all, open AudioDirector on your computer and launch the project where your audio file is located, or import a new audio file if you haven't already. Next, drag your audio clip onto the timeline if it's not already there. Once your clip is on the timeline, you can begin adjusting the volume. To adjust the volume, go to the Edit Audio section under Editing Tools. From the list, select the Volume and Pan option. Below the timeline editor, you will see a horizontal line labeled Adjust Track Volume. This line represents the audio's volume level. Simply drag the line up to increase the volume or drag it down to decrease it. For more precise control, you can use keyframes to adjust the volume at specific points in your clip. To do this, hold Ctrl and click on the volume line to add keyframes. Then move the keyframes up or down to create smooth fades or to make certain parts louder or quieter. Once you have adjusted the volume, play back your audio to make sure it sounds clear and balanced. Make any final tweaks until you are satisfied with the result. Now you know how to adjust volume levels in AudioDirector. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.